What if I told you that losing stubborn belly fat doesn't require exhausting workouts or spending hours in the gym? In fact, most people are making one huge mistake. They think running is the fastest way to burn fat, but after just a few minutes, they're exhausted, out of breath, and ready to quit. And that's exactly why most people never stay consistent long enough to see results. So what actually works? Here's the first hidden trick: walking. Sounds too simple, right? But walking activates multiple muscle groups, keeps stress lower, and helps your body burn calories steadily without draining your energy. And when you walk consistently every single day, your body slowly starts using stored fat for fuel. Just 30 minutes daily can improve metabolism, boost endurance, and help shrink belly fat over time. But here's the second secret almost nobody talks about. Don't walk slowly. Walk faster. Not a full sprint, but fast enough that your heart rate goes up and your body starts working harder. That tiny change can dramatically increase calorie burn and speed up fat loss. So remember this: walk every day, walk a little faster, and stay consistent longer than everyone else. Because the people who transform their bodies aren't always the ones working the hardest. They're the ones who never stop showing up. Subscribe for more simple fitness secrets.